Wow.
Today, guys, right? Did you Jimmyhere part 54?
The hell was that?
Yeah.
Chat, stop saying coom. It was blue.
Zoom.
Now, if there was a Smurf there.
What? Alright.
Literally everyone on the internet right now that has ever seen Among Us, I told you, it's bad.
Alright.
Jack, how's your pet sour pest kids?
What does this mean? What?
You've just been so serious that you just become
What?
one with Mario. I want to be there. I want to go there. I am going to be Among Us. I have a little tomato next to me. Yo!
Alright. What is this?
Car on the ceiling. Ow. I mean, that car on the ceiling was sick, though. It was worth the pain, I think. Here we go.
I want to fuck a cat girl.
Okay, let's
Okay.
continue like we never saw that.
Yep, alright.
He do be running, though. Well, I mean, he's dead.